Come test drive the 2020 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, cloth seats, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.